So hello everyone, I am Rachel Antombok and I am your teacher for today. Um, my topic for today is nutrition and healthy eating habits. First we're going to know what is nutrition. Let's define nutrition. So nutrition refers to the process by which organisms obtain and utilize the nutrients necessary for growth, maintenance, and repair of tissues, as well as for energy production. So we know that every one of us need nutrition in our body. So we live by nutrition. So next, we have to know what is the importance of good nutrition. Isa-isahin natin. First is nutrient supply. Second is energy. And third, growth and development. Fourth, disease prevention. Fifth, immune function. Sixth, mental health. Eighth is weight management. Last is longevity. So I will explain one of them. So first, the nutrient supply. So good nutrition ensures that our bodies receive essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, and minerals, which are necessary for optimal functioning virus bodily system. So we need all of them para good yung function ng nutrition sa ating body. So, next is energy. So, nutrient-rich food provide the energy needed for daily activities, metabolism, and bodily function. Okay? So, we need energy to our body. So, magagamit natin yon for our daily activities. We need energy for our daily activities because if we have not enough energy, di ba, lahat tayo wala ng lakas ng hina. So, we need a balanced diet. So, a balanced diet helps us to maintain energy levels throughout the day, di ba? Every day. To our every day. So next is the growth and development. So adequate nutrition is crucial for proper growth and development, so especially in children and adolescents. So also, ang growth developments, it helps us, there are some nutrients to support our bone growth, muscle development, and cognitive function. So next is disease prevention. So, the disease prevention is a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Okay, can help reduce the risk of chronic disease like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain types of cancer. So, we need to eat veg food and fruits, healthy foods to prevent disease. So, next is immune function. So, immune function, nutrients like vitamin A, C, and E, as well as zinc and selenium play a very important role supporting the immune system. So a healthy diet can also strengthen our immune function para to prevent any infection or reducing the risk or any infection or illness in our body. So next is mental health. So mental health, nutritional deficiencies can impact mental health and can contribute to conditions such as depression and anxiety. Consuming nutrients dense food supports brain health and cognitive function. So, also, it can affect also, kung mag-low ang ating nutrition, it can affect also our mental health. Okay. Ang nutrients ng food, kinala natin yung nutrients sa food, makakuha tayo ng nutrients sa food, sa ating brain. So, we need also kind of healthy foods, no, para mag sa ating any kind of depression or anxiety. So, second to the last is weight management. So, weight management, maintaining a balanced diet, can help manage body weight by providing essential nutrients while controlling calorie intake. This can prevent obesity and health-related issues. Okay, in weight management, maintaining our balanced diet, maintaining our weight can help us to be easier healthy. So, if we intake any food in our body, on our mouth, kain ng kain, so we don't know what will happen. Any condition. So, meron tayong mga bagay na hindi natin alam kung ano pwedeng makakasama sa atin. So, we need to protect our body. So this can prevent obesity related health issues. So, lastly is longevity. So, good nutrition is linked to increased longevity and overall quality of life. Okay. So, this is if you can what you call this if you if you go straight to your lifestyle na good, you will, I believe that you will have a longer life. So, I know if staying healthy will longer your life is. So, I believe on that. So, eating a variety of nutrient-rich food promotes longevity and supports a healthy, engaging life. So next is, we need to know the basic nutrients. So first, we have the carbohydrates, the proteins, the fats, the vitamins, minerals, and water. So we need this in our body as usual. We need carbohydrates too. Carbohydrates can use as energy. Also the fats, the proteins. So next is we need to know what is healthy eating plate. So the healthy eating plate is a visual guide created by nutrition experts at Harvard School of Public Health. So it helps people make healthier food choices by illustrating the proportions of different foods to include a balanced diet. So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo what is a healthy eating plate dito. Yan. So, here's, yan. We have there the fruits, also the fruit. So, we have a 1/2 vegetables and fruits there, and also water. So we have there the 1/2 vegetable and fruits, and also water, 1/4 grain food, and 1/4 protein. So next is, we need to know the benefits of healthy eating. So first is improve energy levels. So nutrients rich food provide the energy their body needs to function optimally throughout the day. So if we eat a healthy eat if we eat healthy foods, if it can improve our energy level. Second is weight management also. So healthy eating habits help maintain a healthy weight by providing essential nutrients without excess calories. So, as you can see, there are a lot of people na outside. You can see, um, you can see a lot of people. If they're healthy, they are have nicest body, diba? So next is reduce risk of chronic disease. So a balanced diet can lower the risk of developing chronic conditions, diba? As I said kanina, no, it can actually um prevent any disease if we eat healthy food. So as long as you know that it can help to our body na makakatulong sa body natin. So, we need to exercise, we need to eat healthy foods. So, para hindi tayo magkasakit. Yun. So, next is stronger immune system. So, nutrients, dense food support a immune mas naging stronger yung immune system, helping your body defense against infection. So mas naging, if eating healthy foods is mas nagiging stronger yung immune system natin. So next is enhance mood and mental clarity. So, a healthy eating can positively impact mood and cognitive function, leading to a better focus, productivity, and overall mental health. So, eating healthy foods can put us to a good mood, good mood, better focus. If you're having exams, you can better focus mo sa exam mo, maka-study ka mayo, and having a highest grades. So better digestive health. So a high fiber food promote healthy digestion, can prevent issues like constipation and gastrointestinal disorders. So if we have a better digestive health, we can we can prevent issues constipation, we can as usual gastrointestinal disorder, and also so next is improved skin health. So nutrients like vitamin A and C and E found in fruits and vegetables contribute to healthy skin, reducing the risk of acne and premature aging. So it can improve our skin health. So we don't need some skin cares pala if we can eat naman pala healthy foods, no? So, it can improve pala sa skin natin. So yeah, we need to eat healthy foods if we have acne. So longevity and vitality, a nutritious diet combined with other healthy lifestyle habits can contribute to a longer, more fulfilling life with improved quality life as you age. So, as we age pala, if we have a healthy lifestyle, is the longer we live, no. So next is we need to know the benefits of maintaining a balanced diet to improve energy levels. So, this is the benefits. So, maintaining a balanced diet improves energy levels by providing essential nutrients like carbohydrates, as usual, for fuel, proteins, for muscle repair, and vitamins and minerals for overall bodily function. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes, and promote better digestion, which is contributes to sustained energy throughout the day. So it's good if we have balanced diet now. So I don't know. It 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 shocks me because ngayon ko lang nalaman. So, yan. So, it helps pala to stabilize the blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. So next is better weight management, reduce risk of chronic disease. So, maintaining a balanced diet not only support a better weight management, hindi lang siya nagsusupport ng better weight management. It also plays a crucial role including reducing the risk of chronic disease like heart disease, diabetes, promoting overall as usual, di ba? Weight management po ulit lang because this is nice. We have to maintain our weight management. So next is the components of a healthy diet. First is fruits. Okay. First is fruits. So provides essential vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. Second is vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, fibers, and phytochemicals with various health benefits. Third is lean proteins, sourced like poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and lean cuts of meat provide essential amino acids for muscles repair and overall health. Next is healthy fats. So source includes nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil, providing essential fatty acids for brain health and hormone regulation. So next is dairy or dairy alternatives rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein for bone health and overall nutrition. So next is water. So essential for hydration and proper bodily function, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. So eating a healthy diet leads you to a longer life. So hello students. So I'm going to ipapakita ko sa inyo ang food groups. Yan. Yan. So next is I'm going to tell you the tips for healthy eating. So eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Aim for a variety of colors to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. So if you eat a plenty of fruit and water and vegetable, if you eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, okay, you can have a range of more nutrients in your body. So damo ka nutrients from fruits and vegetables. So habang bata pa, you should eat fruits and vegetables because it contains many nutrients into our body. So it helps our body making healthy. So pwede siya yung vegetables and fruits ay nagpapa-healthy sa ating body. So choose whole grains. So choose whole grains. So optional lang siya. For whole grains, we have bread, pasta, rice over refined grains for more fiber and nutrients. Ang grain mas much more siya sa ang mga whole grains much more sa fiber. So, magkita mo dito yung mga bread, pasta, para siyang carbohydrates. Yan. Mga carbohydrates na pagkain. Next include lean protein sources. Incorporate lean meta poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts into your meals. So, you can include any protein. Diba? So, need natin protein sa ating body. So, mas better yung fish can have protein to our body. More pwede siya sa breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And also limit your processed foods like mga canned foods, mga frozen foods, no? So minimize your intake processed and packaged foods, high added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. So they can pwede sila magbigay ng unhealthy fats in our body. So yeah. So control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating and pay attention to hunger and full costs. So control natin yung mga kinakain natin para hindi mag-overeating and come into overweight, diba? So, be mindful. So, stay hydrated. So, drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain hydration and support overall health. So, at least 2 liters if adult. 2 liters if adult, and as usual, drink. Stay healthy, everyone. So next, next is let's delve into each food groups. Okay, so so every one of us have free nga maging healthy, and also we need to so in my conclusion is prioritizing nutrition and cultivating healthy eating habits is a paramount for overall well-being. So, in my conclusion is prioritizing nutrition and cultivating healthy eating habits is paramount for overall health, or for overall well-being and longevity. So, kapag i-prioritize mong nutrition mo, I believe na tatagal talaga yung buhay mo. So, it's not just about counting calories or following trendy diets. It's about nourishing your body with a balanced intake of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, adapting a diet rich in fruits and in vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide numerous health benefits. So, hindi lang siya sa pag-count sa calories natin, hindi lang siya about sa diet nutrition, but it's also for us na
take care sa aton health, di ba? So, it's important to take care of our health because if once nga maguba ang aton health, it's a very big risk for us na maguba ang aton health because once nga maguba ang health mo, you will risk your life, diba? So, and also, including na di ang reduce risk chronic diseases such as heart diseases, diabetes, just certain cancers. Moreover, mindful eating practices such as paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, practicing portion control, and enjoying meals without distraction can help foster a healthy relationship with the food and prevent overeating. So, if we have this, if makapractice ta sa aton nga pagkaon, okay, overall, madala lang na sa naton, di ba? So, if makontrol tanan, makalimit sa pagkaon naton, we can have a healthy body, healthy life, healthy lifestyle. So, if we can only eat healthy lang, di ba? We can live longer. So, furthermore, staying hydrated, limiting processed foods, sugar beverage, and excessive sodium intake. And being mindful of portion sizes are crucial components and of sustainable and nutrition eating plan. So, always stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. So, ilimit natin ang processed foods because it's not that good for our body. So, and also sugar beverages like soft drinks, so it's not good for us. So, and excessive sodium intake, be mindful. So, ano naman gamitin ta for taking care of ourselves. So, additionally, incorporating regular physical activity into your lifestyle can complement a healthy diet and further enhance your overall health and well-being. So, you need to regular exercise. Do a regular exercise, into 1 week you can do 2 or 3, diba? Exercise every week. Padua. For syempre, kinala natin mapaguan sa balhas, di ba? Kinala natin mag-burn sa calories yan, di ba? So, it's essential to recognize that healthy eating is not about deprivation or perfection, but rather making informed choices that support your health goals, contribute to a fulfilling and vibrant life. So, it's not panaminami isang lawas or panaminami isang korte, isang lawas, panaminami isang lifestyle. It's not about that. It's about kung paano mo palagyan ang kabuhi mo, kung paano ka mapalayo sa sakit, kung paano mo maintain ang imo lifestyle, di ba? Ultimately, by prioritizing nutrition and embracing healthy eating habits, you empower yourself to take control of your health, boost energy levels, enhance your mood, so increase your longevity. So, also, kung prioritize mo yung nutrition and healthy eating habits, so, control mo yourself, mo ma-boost imo energy, grabe mo energy, so, makafocus ka din sa schools mo if you have a healthy lifestyle, makafocus ka sa studies mo, sa goals mo, so, you have no ano tawag distraction. Next is remember, small changes can lead to significant result over time. So start by making gradual adjustments to your diet and lifestyle that align with your individual needs and preference. The journey to better health begins with the choices you make each day and by day. Prioritizing nutrition, you're investing in happier, healthier future for yourself. So thank you. That's all. Mm, have a good day. Thank you for listening.